obuwangwa bwaffe kyekitiibwa kyaffe bwe buganzi bwaffe. Across the Sahara, down the Limpopo, Kwenesu Nedongo, Uganda, land of green, not only green but peace. That's why I sing a song like this. Yeah. Welcome to Mawa, welcome to Uganda, Mukuja Uganda. Embera yo butenungi, ensonyi n'ebintu bingi. Welcome to Mawa, welcome to Mawa.
It's one of your biggest tourism sites, right?
Indeed, it is. And it's the most unique place, falls, in Uganda. It is one that has 7 falls in one. You'll never find it anywhere around the country. It's only here in Northern Uganda.
Wet or dry season, which is better?
If you're a fan of water, it is when it's a rainy season, and you love more of the swimming bit. There are actually more activities that you can do here. You can do a barbecue. There are certain places, yes, you can do this. Even down here, you enjoy great swimming and then also fishing. This place has 7 falls, which means it has about 6 spaces in between. That helps you connect from one fall to the other. And when you're crossing, there's a unique way of walking. This way. We have to hold each other, create a chain. And where you step is where I step, where you step is where I step. That is to have a safe passage to the next fall, up to the end of the falls actually.
Welcome to Mawa,